Hey guys, Shane Pennebaker, aka Shane the Shark Man here from BISH'S RV in Junction City, soggy Junction City, Oregon today. So we're going to look at the 2022 Jayco Precept. Very nice unit, has all the bells and whistles. When we go inside, you'll see it. We'll make it quick because we're all getting soggy here. It's got the streamlined body shape, full body paint. It's got a Ford V8 in it. These things make it going uphill as easy as pie. Towing or not, it's got a lot of power. Of course, up top, you got your slide toppers, which is great for keeping the water off. When you roll it in, you don't have to climb on the roof to get all the debris and pine cones and squirrels off the top. They just roll right off when you pull in the wind. Also, frameless windows, tinted. So in the summertime, you stay nice and cool. It's really a good positive thing, trust me on that. Coming down this way, you got tons of storage all along the coach. I mean, I'll tell you what, you can't go wrong. Storage is gold in these things, as we all know. Circle around the back, another frameless window. You also have a backup camera, ladder for access to clean off whatever is up there, whether it be solar panels, AC. Now, here you have a full wall slide, which is great because it opens the entire coach up. Gives you a lot more room all the way down, so plenty of wiggle room in there. This is a real nice one. It's got a full awning, also a full slide topper. Then you enter up here. You have 6 steps up, and you come into this gorgeous motorhome. Very, very nice. If you look out the front here, I mean, this looks, it's great. You can look at the ocean. You can look at anything from here. I mean, no matter where you look, you're going to be able to see up top, down below. Then you got a queen size bed that drops down right above it. So in case you got the grandkids or company over and they need a place to sleep, plenty of room for that. Very spacious cockpit here. Nice 9-inch screen there. One level touch leveling right there. One touch leveling right there. Then as you come back here, you've got recliners, full recliners, cup holders for your drinks, adult beverages, Kool-Aid, whatever you drink, pop. Here, this also turns into a bed, your dinette. Plenty of space, 4 people will fit real nice, but you can also drop that down. There's a cushion in the back you put down, turns into a bed. Directly across from that, nice setup here with a sofa. Television. It comes up out of the credenza here. They call it a televator. Very, very nice. Great space saver. Lots of drawers. Like I said, lots of cabinet space. Up here, you got all this up in here. I mean, look, it's gorgeous. And you got a fireplace. You can't go wrong with a fireplace. So you can stay nice and toasty. Well, it's like it is outside right now. You're nice and warm. Coming to the kitchen, you got a 3-burner propane top. Honest to goodness real oven, which is really hard to find. You also have your nice microwave oven here. It's a High Point, good brand. 4-door refrigerator, nor cold. This runs off of propane and electricity. Can't go wrong. As we're moving back, this is really cool. Take a look at that bathroom. Just gorgeous. And the shower is massive. I always say it, but it's true. It's bigger than my first apartment. That is a big shower. And moving right here, you've got your storage cabinet, but you also can take these shelves out and hook up a washer dryer. Stackable. Very, very nice. I mean, you could almost, well, you could live in one of these. What am I saying? Moving back into the bedroom, look at all that storage up here. Plenty of rolling room. I get like 2 inches on my side and my wife gets the rest. That's how it works with us, always has. Couple of wardrobes in here, full wardrobes. You can actually hang jackets, anything up in there. You got plenty of room. Lots of cabinet space on the bottom and a TV. Tell you what, like I said earlier, all the bells and whistles. You can only find it here at BISH RV. And I'll tell you what, you come to talk to Shane the Shark Man, I'm buying lunch or breakfast if you're here early. Whichever it is, you can't go wrong with this. I can't tell you what the price is yet, but you can contact me and find out, because if I do and everyone else finds out, feeding frenzy! Tell you what, come see me, Shane the Shark Man at BISH RV. Greatest place in the world to get an RV. We'll see you soon.